julep, julep.
What's up, everybody? It's the Texas Squeegee, and this is a brand new Can-Am Defender brought into the Texas Tint Masters shop in Houston, Texas. Now, this is a brand new Can-Am Defender, which is bought with the intentions of being used for hunting. Now, hunting can be a lot of fun, but it can often be a game of sit and wait. And if you're sitting out in the sun, sometimes you just can't wait to get out of it. So let me show you what I mean. See how this ATV has glass all over the cabin? This poses great for visibility, but it creates a problem because the sun can enter the cabin from a 360-degree angle. Now, what this does is as the heat is entering the vehicle, it's putting a strain on the AC system. Although the AC system may be new, it's 4 little vents against a 360-degree heat entering the cabin, which puts a lot of strain and causes the AC to not work as well. The owner requested that we do a film that has maximum heat rejection and performance, so we decided to do a nano ceramic tint. This is nano ceramic tint called XPEL XR PLUS. Now, this is different than regular tint because unlike regular tint, this is made for performance. This one is not. Now, the reason why it blocks out so much amount of heat is because it has special infrared blockers built into the tint that target infrared light. Now, infrared light is where most of the sun's heat comes from when the sun is beaming down into the vehicle. This means that it doesn't have to be dark for it to be extremely effective, which makes it a perfect solution for putting this on doors, back windows, and the entire full front windshield with a clear ceramic. But don't take my word for it. Here, let me show you. All right, so for this heat test, I'm going to use this heat lamp, which puts out heat. This meter measures the heat, so the higher the number, the hotter it is. The lower the number, the less energy is getting through. Now, this window right here is clear, and this one is tinted with nano ceramic tint. So in order to test it, I'm going to turn on that heat lamp. I'm going to place it right outside on that gasket. This is a meter that's going to measure it. Now, this is a stock glass right here. Moving it over to the tinted glass. And back again to the stock. Read that number, and going back to the tinted glass, which is going to be a lot less. Now, you remember how I said that the clear tint can block a lot of heat as well? Because it doesn't have to be dark to be effective, right? Well, let's test it on this glass right here. So since I don't have the glass to compare it to, I'm going to do a relative test. So I'm going to turn on the light. This is a meter, again, one more time. Now we're going to be measuring it right out here. It's measuring the light coming directly through that meter, and now here it is through the tinted glass. Back again without the glass, and through the tinted glass. And this is a clear tint, but it's extremely effective because it has infrared blockers in the tint. So what gives it the performance that regular tint doesn't have. Now, for this, we use a computer cut system, which allows us to cut the tint on the computer and not your glass, preventing any scratches on your windows, and it ensures precision fitment on the glass. Now, after that, we use a multi-stage deep cleaning process to make sure that all of the windows are clean, ensuring a clean tint job at the end. And finally, we do a heat test report that tests the glass on your windows because it is very hard to tell the difference between regular tint and ceramic tint just by visuals and look alone. This allows us to make sure that we put the ceramic tint on there and it gives you the exact heat rejection numbers of how your glass is performing. So if you learned something, let us know down in the comment section below. If you want to get something like this done, visit us at TexasTintMasters.com. This is Carlos, the Texas Squeegee. Now see you on the next one. Squeegee that.